Welcome to my YouTube channel VTech Way. Here you will get all the VTech and tech related updates, latest job vacancies and the latest IT sector job hirings at the very earliest to you. So today I'm here with such a big recruitment, or you can say in such a very big reputed multinational company, that is the IBM, for the post of the associate system engineer. So IBM has a really job vacancy for the associate system engineer. So okay, let's now understand the various key job details. That is, you have to work in the India only, and you will be working in Karnataka, city Bangalore. Category is the technical specialist. Required education is you should have a bachelor's degree, and in which branch that will be see in the later part of the video. Position type is entry level. Employment type is full time, which means you will be getting a full time job. It's not like that a part time or a project basis or like a contract type. It's a full-time job and no travel is required. It means you will be doing work from home job. Okay, now understand the profile description. Actually you will be assigning a software developer engineer's profile. You will be working under the various projects assigned to you. Okay, now what's the required technical and professional skills? Let's understand. Environment, that is professional knowledge related to KRAs that requires to demonstrate the ability. These are the various technical skills that you should have to apply for this job. Next is the communication. Communication, that is very necessary. Communication, as you know, communication is the very necessary thing that you should have to, if you are applying for a technical job or a professional, if you are coming to the professional job, professional sector. Next is the problem solving. You should have a good command of your over your problem solving skills. You should have ability to analyze the problems and how to solve them. Next is the okay. Now understand who are eligible. What is the eligibility criteria? Degree is the BE, BTech, MC, MTech, or ME, and you can be from any of the profiles that is given below. For example, computer science in IT, information science, software, electronics communication, electrical electronics, applied electronics, etc. etc. Means I can analyze that mechanical and civil are not there, and rest of all the branches are eligible to apply. So that's the job role that has been released by the IBM company, and you can say it's such a good opportunity to apply for this job. Okay, now let's understand the procedure how to apply it, and you can say now click on the apply now option. Then you will have a fresh registration form open to you. Here you have to firstly select your resume file, which you will have to be made by yourself, and here you will be having your first name, last name, primary email. That is the email which should be valid, because the later the various communications related to the job role or the IBM company will be through your email only. Next is the experience level. If you are early professional, that is less than 3, then you can select this. If you are professional, then you can select. You can select any of your according to your eligibility. Next is the area of interest. You can select the area of interest in which you are interested, that is AI, data science, blockchain, cloud, open source. Next is the preferred language, means the language in which you are comfortable to speak, and the primary skill set, communication, consulting, design, developer, means in which the field in which you want to apply or your next is the primary country. You have to select India only because the job role is in India only, and then you have to click on that join option. Then you will receive an email on your email that ID that you have entered in a primary email ID. Then the test date and the all the related stuff will be emailed to you on that email ID only. Okay, that's it, guys. Please subscribe my channel for the latest tech updates and the various IT sector job vacancies to get the very earliest to you. Thank you, guys.